Hyacinth Macaw, the giant blue jewel of the sky. Imagine a bird so stunning, so majestic, that it makes other parrots look like they're still in pajamas. Bright blue feathers, golden accents, a powerful beak, and a personality larger than life. Say hello to the Hyacinth Macaw, the largest flying parrot on Earth. This isn't your average backyard bird. This is a 4-foot-long flying marvel with a wingspan to match and eyes full of attitude. They come from the wilds of Central South America, soaring through Brazil's savannas and swamps. But don't let the graceful flight fool you. These birds are as tough as they are beautiful. Hyacinth macaws crack palm nuts. Yes, actual rock-hard coconuts with ease. That's thanks to a beak that's so strong it can crush bones, or at least your favorite wooden chair leg. Don't say we didn't warn you. But here's the twist. For all that power and size, the Hyacinth Macaw is known as a gentle giant. They're sweet, cuddly, and absolutely obsessed with their humans. These birds form strong, emotional bonds, often clinging to one person like glue. If you're out of sight too long, you'll hear about it. They're also super smart. We're talking puzzle solving, mimicry, even recognizing colors and shapes. They need toys, games, and attention, or they'll invent their own mischief. Remember, this is not a pet for the lazy. This is a bird that wants to hang out, interact, and basically become part of the family, or run it. Unfortunately, this sky blue beauty is also endangered. Habitat destruction, illegal pet trade, and deforestation have made the Hyacinth macaw vulnerable in the wild. That's why conservation programs and responsible breeding are so important. If you're thinking about owning one, be ready. It's a lifetime commitment, sometimes 60-plus years. It's like adopting a toddler who flies, screams, chews furniture, and never grows up. But for the right person, the Hyacinth macaw is more than a pet. It's a feathered soulmate, a living jewel, and a daily reminder that nature really is the ultimate artist. So if you ever get the chance to meet one, remember, you're in the presence of bird royalty. If you loved meeting the Hyacinth macaw, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a